All right, Racers and Rods here this morning at the Cars and Coffee UTC. I'm going to check out a few cars, talk to a few people. Great event, and a lot of cars here.
49 Mercury originally, but all that's 49 is really the body. The frame is a 1980s era Oldsmobile. The interior is out of a 64 Thunderbird. Wheels are Cadillac. Side chrome is Pontiac. Bumpers front and rear are DeSoto. And then it's got air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power windows, and it's been chopped, channeled, and sectioned. The running gear is a 350 Chevy with a 350 turbo automatic.
Jim, my name is Peter. Nice to meet you. My car is a 1956 Mercury. The colors are classic white and saffron yellow. Those are our original colors. It's not the original paint. However, it's got a 312 wide block engine. And it's got a Continental kit on it. It's got power steering on it. It's kind of unique for a 56. Well, I guess it came out in 56. So it's a great car. I love it. And I've had it for about 15 to 20 years.
What kind of shape was it in when you bought it?
It was in good shape,
yeah.
Although I replaced a lot of the chrome on the car.
Okay.
And I enjoy it. It's a boulevard car, and it always gets a lot of good looks, and people like it.
Chevy C10. Pretty much garage build. Me and a couple buddies just kind of got together and figured wanted an old tire smoker. So 383 stroker, full roller motor. Interior by mainly trim and upholstery in Sarasota. Everything else was done in shop. Just wanted something I could put my foot on and not care. Have fun with it.
There's a golden McLaren, Mike.